morning, everyone. It's Thursday, September 11th. I'm Kaylee Nix, and this is your FreightWaves Morning Minute. Kodiak Robotics has delivered its first autonomous truck created straight from a factory production line. Roush Industries, which services the mobility, aerospace, and defense industries, helped upfit the truck. Together, the delivery was made to Atlas Energy Solutions at the end of last month. Kodiak CEO Don Burnett said that the future of freight is arriving, and with the upfit partnership from Roush. Atlas began taking deliveries of the original Kodiak driver-equipped trucks back in December of last year, and to date has 8 of the vehicles. Labor and industry are giving the Trump administration opposing takes on how technology and automation in freight railroading could affect long-term economic strategy. A USDOT request for comment on its 5-year strategic plan received input from the Smart TD union, saying that Class 1 railroads have pushed unsafe practices and decimated the workforce using tech. The strength of the network is already beginning to weaken due to technological failures. However, industry lobby groups are pushing for repeal of rules passed in the last administration that were meant to increase tech use and therefore increase safety. And e-commerce parcel carrier Veho announced that it is expanding to Southern California in a show of increased competition for the parcel sector. Parcel shippers are increasingly turning to alternative carriers like Veho for lower delivery costs, as FedEx, UPS, and the Postal Service keep raising rates and surcharges. The new expansion will provide services to Los Angeles, Long Beach, Orange County, and the Inland Empire to the tune of about 8 million residents. New distribution centers will be opening in Santa Fe Springs and Ontario and enable over 100,000 deliveries per week. Coming up today on FreightWaves TV, we've got a new episode of The Long Haul with Adam Wingfield, so make sure that you tune in right here to catch that. Go on over to live.freightwaves.com, get registered for the Future of Freight Festival. That's our next upcoming event. We'll be right here in Chattanooga, Freight Alley, the Scenic City, October 21st and 22nd. You don't want to miss it. You can save a little bit of money right now as our last chance sale is going on. That's it for your Morning Minute. We'll be back tomorrow to wrap up your week.